to see a better view of the bay.
Kuya Kim.
Okay?
That's good.
She's
You're not scared na? You're a big boy?
Alila.
Wow! Ate yung bayad kanini na?
No? Okay.
Aroy, Diyos ko! De. Banten nung kayong Kiko.
Kiko kaya na yun.
Mayari ko balat kang gani.
This car will go swimming in the ocean. She don't go swimming, but she goes slowly. Just float in the water.
Ay, Diyos ko, JJ laway niya. Aray, Diyos.
Okay, we're gonna go down to the water.
No, no.
She'll bring them back up.
No, it's-
Oh, you go
Go
down now,
down to the water.
I know.
no.
Let's give it a try.
Ay, no, matakot. Tatakot
Okay,
ko.
we'll just stay over here and look at the bay. Okay? Okay, here we go. We just look at the bay. Alright?
Yeah, lawan.